Well, hey, how you doing? Welcome to another edition of Quantum Wave Trading. I've been out for a few days. I've had a cold. My voice is still a bit rough and I'm stuffed up, so I might sound funny. You'll have to forgive me for that. Okay, so let's recap on what we've got here. We're up 130 pips overall. Two trades are a little bit in the red. Most are doing good. Our most recent one, which was the, what was it? New Zealand yen, that turned around. That was going negative. It bounced now. Here we are. Let's take a closer look at that. It had done this little bouncy bounce. It had reversed on us. I think we entered the trade about here. Now it did this. It retraced. And where's our target? Down here. So I think we're looking good. It's going to keep going. Okay, just had to pause there to get myself a tea. So here we go. Now we are going to look at a major pair, the Euro Great British Pound. Euro Pound, the mighty Euro versus the Pound. And let's figure out what is happening with that, because inquiring minds want to know. Pull back. Big wave on. What are these crazy spikes? This is a wick on a week chart? Are you kidding me? Nah, something's funny about that. I don't believe it. Anyways. Trend segment line. Here. This would be the trend. We start with the low. There. And lo and behold, look at that. Wow, perfect. Just perfect. So we're right at the bottom of this big support trend line. Let's do our usual 3 pixels yellow. Yellow for wave 1. And why, you ask? Oh, look at that. Just perfect. Look at that. All right. Let's keep going with this. Well, there, kind of, and this, I don't know what that is. I think we can just ignore it. And that's all irrelevant to the current situation. Let's go to the top of that. Again, this is just some weird anomaly. We'll ignore that. So this is what's relevant here. Wave 1. Zoom in. Let's go to the 1-day chart. Wave 2 would be probably this downtrend here, this little last segment, maybe starting here even. You know, if we count Elliott waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up, 1, 2, 3 down. So it's probably going to go another 5 up. So yeah, we're just at the beginning of a big uptrend for the euro. That's kind of what I'm seeing right now initially. Okay, 1-day chart. Let's get this going here. Too much. Yeah, let's get this last little downtrend for the wave 2. Zoom in on that. There. Reposition that. Look at that. It just fits. Wow. Fits perfectly. In fact, I'd even be inclined, we don't need this up here. Let's bring that down. Look at that. Exactly. Exactly. And just a little past there. We could kind of tweak that a little in between those 2 points. There we go. So, pretty much guaranteed. I think we're coming up to this resistance line here. Probably beyond. We could bring that as an outside, yeah, here. Maybe that's a little clue from the giant computer running everything, this big simulation that we call the FOREX. Okay, so wave 2. Trend line segments start here, maybe even back here. And look at just fits perfectly to the pip pretty well. Yeah, it's a simulation. Okay. And wave 2 is blue, right? Dark blue. Not that blue, this blue. Okay. Much nicer. Let's bring it down here. Or maybe right here even. Yeah. Yeah, if we back that up there, kind of. Yeah. Look at that. Support, support. So gee, we have it bouncing off of here and here down to here. So I mean, would it break this wave 1 and come all the way down to here? I don't know. Of course, nobody knows. Let's get that old crystal ball out. But based on quantum wave theory, the wave 1 is the stronger of the two. So probably it's wedging into this point. It might just like bounce back and forth and wedge and then zip, up it goes. That's a likely scenario, I would say. So there's our wave 2. Let's just get one more inner line there. That, okay, yeah. Resistance, resistance. Coming down here, kind of support, breaking, and finally big breakthrough. Turns into resistance. Oh, broke through again. Yeah. There we are. So break. Yeah, it'll want to zigzag. Probably. Or it might just fire on away. Who knows? So the wave 3 here is just beginning. We could maybe get a clue on its trajectory from this previous wave 3 here, this one, but it's just starting to pick up steam. So let's see, this is pretty clear, and this would be, in a real life scenario, this is the ideal point. This is what you're looking for. This is when you would really buy the euro against the pound. We would put our stop just outside that wave 1, kind of like right there. It's a bit of a safe place. Okay, that's our stop. So we make that 2 pixels and we make that red there. And our target, and we're gonna target this first inner resistance line, and we could go all out and say up here, but you know, let's not do that. We'll play it safe. Horizontal line, target would be inside there. It's going to break that. Well, I mean, we could even initially target inside the wave 2. Yeah, let's do that. Let's target that wave 2, because it'll maybe come up to here, bounce back down, so we can take this first profit and let it come down, and then ride the next one up all the way up to here or here. So, okay, where am I? We want that, yes, that to be 2 pixels and green for go. Green for go, green for our target. Yep, that's it. That's a big buy. A big buy on the euro pound. So let's do our final step and enter that. Euro, where's the euro pound? There we are. Okay, market by 2000. Soon we'll talk about actual amounts to enter, because you might be thinking, well, hey, if we've mapped out the market and we know where it's going, let's just go all in 50%. You'll fail, you will lose if you do that, and I'll explain why in another video. So take profit at dear, oh dear, is it glasses time? I gotta find my glasses, hold on. And this is why you want to keep a nice, clean, organized desk so this does not happen to you. Things are always where they're supposed to be. Now, 0.8718, take profit, stop loss, where are we here? 0.8525, 0.8525, yeah, 8525. Okay, there we go. I believe that's right. I think I got it. Okay. 8718, 8525. Yes, the numbers are in, and place order confirm. Bada bing. We're off to the races. Let's see how that plays out. This one should be hitting soon. That's a nice tasty profit there. Yeah, and these will no doubt turn around. They've been just kind of going horizontal for a while. We'll check in on these maybe tomorrow, or at least one of them tomorrow. Okay, that's it. That's today's trade. Buy the euro pound. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you tomorrow.